Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video will explain how to fix the issue of the pull-down notification panel not opening on Android phones. Some users check controls and make corresponding settings and operations in the notification bar at the top of their phones, allowing them to access common settings without having to go to the Settings app, which improves the user experience. However, when you try to pull down the notification bar again, you can't succeed no matter how many times you try. You don't know why you can't pull down the notification bar on your Android phone. Don't panic, you're not alone with this problem. To help users experiencing this issue, we will explain in detail in this video how to fix the notification bar not pulling down on Android phones. Please watch patiently. This video is applicable to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Many users have reported the problem of being unable to swipe down the notification bar on Android phones, and have received various answers. After several days of searching and trying, we have come up with the following solutions. You can patiently try each method, and if it doesn't work the first time, you can continue to try the second and third times. We have seen cases where the problem was solved after multiple attempts. So, if you want to fix the pull-down notification panel not opening on your Android phone, please be patient. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1. Remove the screen protector. When the Android notification panel does not open after pulling down, you should first suspect your external protective devices, such as the screen protector and phone case. If both of these protective tools are present on your phone, try removing them and cleaning the screen. Some users reported that the problem was with the screen protector. After removing the screen protector, the problem of the notification panel not opening by swiping down from the top disappeared. Method 2. Restart your phone. Temporary cache problems or other temporary malfunctions on your phone may also cause the notification bar not to come down on your Android phone. But don't worry too much, these problems are only temporary, and simply restarting your phone can solve most of them. To fix the issue of not being able to pull down the notification bar on your Android phone, try the following steps to restart your phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. In the restart screen, tap the restart icon, and your phone will restart. Please wait patiently for the restart to complete. After it's done, pull down the screen to see if the problem is resolved. Method 3 is to perform a factory reset. If you accidentally set or disabled certain settings that cause the notification bar to be inaccessible, the most thorough method is to restore your phone to factory settings. A factory reset will restore all settings to their default state, regardless of any changes you've made. Of course, all data on your Android phone will be deleted, so if you need the data on your phone, be sure to back it up before performing a factory reset. Next, please try resetting your phone. To reset your Android phone, first tap on your phone's settings, then find and tap General Management. In the General Management interface, find the Reset option, and then tap Factory Data Reset. At this point, your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart, and all data will be erased. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Android phone again. After setup is complete, pull down the screen again and check if the problem of the phone screen not swiping down to open the notification panel is resolved. Method 4 is to have a technician check it. If you still can't fix the issue of pulling down on Android not accessing the notification bar, there may be a problem with the screen or internal hardware. Since you cannot check for hardware problems yourself, we recommend that you take your phone to a service center and have a technician help you further investigate the problem. Finally, we hope that your Android phone problem will be perfectly resolved as soon as possible. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like, share, and let us know in the comments which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you think we need to improve anything, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.